guys, I wanted to quickly do a little disclaimer introduction. Basically, I started filming this whole declutter process back in July or even June at this point. We were moving into a new apartment, so I was like, oh, I need to start decluttering my clothes like ahead of time. So all these clips are from July up until, I think, August. I stopped filming me decluttering little pieces because I'm doing another closet declutter soon. I feel like I've actually changed a lot in like what I wear. Even when I'm lazy, like I don't wear the lazy clothes I used to wear. I don't know. So I will be doing another closet declutter. Now that summer's over, I've seen what I've worn and stuff. But anyway, sorry, my hair kept changing. I went from highlights to partial to this, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I will be doing another closet declutter. I think you guys are sick of these videos from me, but I'm just too excited for this video because this time around I am moving. We are moving into a better apartment. I do have a lot of clothes, so I'm going to be doing this in parts again. This video is going to be a declutter of my leggings and sleeping shirts, and maybe I'll get into some other stuff. First off, we have to go in here. This is like my coat closet slash storage closet. It's so messy, and I have this like little drawer thing right here that's like blocking my way from showing you guys this. I can't open it all the way. It's just, this room is annoying. The layout's awful, so we're just gonna have to deal with this. My sleeping shirts, which is down here, so I'm just gonna grab all of them. Yesterday I decluttered one, so I'm pretty excited about that. I have a whole drawer full, and I'm just gonna get rid of it. It's always the shirts that I would wear a lot, and then I don't really like them that much anymore, so I throw them in here, and now I just have too many, and it's just kind of annoying. So this shirt, I hate it, but my cousin got it for me. At the time when I got it, I really loved it. It's like this California thing, but I think shirts like this are just not cute anymore, but it is a good long sleeve whenever it is cold. I just hate this color, like this like maroon red color, so even though I don't really like it that much, I'm only keeping it because my cousin got it for me and because it's a good lounge top. My cousin also got me this. This is like one of my favorite sleeping shirts. This is from Hollister, obviously, and I wore this a lot. It's an extra small though. I can't remember if it's like super tight on me. I might just get rid of this. I think I'm gonna try this on and see if I want to get rid of it. This sleeping shirt, oh my god, I've had this for so long. It's just like a loose Adidas top. My mom's friend got me, my sister, matching ones like this. I think I might try this on too. This one's a maybe. I just kind of don't like it anymore. This is my favorite sleeping shirt. This is a Yale shirt. One of my friends in high school, every time I would go to his house, I would always like want to change because it was after school, and he always would give me shirts he thrifted, and that's like my favorite collection of sleeping shirts is the shirts he gave me. Jose, if you're watching this, hi. I don't think he is, but. And then this is a Roxy shirt I got from Tilly's, and it's so worn out. Keeping that one. My boyfriend gave me this one, and I love it. This is one of my favorite sleeping shirts because it's so big. This one my sister was getting rid of, and I loved it. Like the freaking colors and like this like tie-dye type of detail, and then the back. I just think this is such a cute sleeping shirt. So this is a sleeping shirt I will never get rid of. I got this on like the Dream Big tour. I think Austin Porter signed it, if that's his name. I don't really remember. I just liked the tie-dye of it, so that's why I got it. And this is my boyfriend's shirt. I hate this color, but once again, it's his. I got this shirt in Bulgaria, another shirt I've had since I was literally, what, 13. Such good quality. I've worn this so much and not one ball has popped up on this shirt. I'm definitely keeping it. It's kind of obnoxious, but it's cute, so I like it. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. It's a cute lounge one, but it is see-through, and when I'm at home I don't really like to wear things that are see-through because I never wear bras, and like, you know, if the mail guy comes and I open the door and like he sees my tits, this is just not it. The last shirt in here is a Christmas one that we used this year, so I'm keeping that because it's a Christmas PJ. So we're not doing so well. I got rid of 4 and 2 of them are maybes. I think I will get rid of this. So we got rid of 2 sleeping shirts. That's not good. I did no progress there, but whatever, honestly. Alright, let's see if I have better luck with my leggings. So you're probably not going to see my leggings because they're in this drawer, not this one. This is like my bras and stuff and it's really full. Alright, but leggings. I have way too many. So I have these two from Boohoo. I have another one like this, but it's black and it has like a matching top. I did get them for free when I worked the playlist booth or room for Boohoo. So I'm definitely keeping that in case I do it again next year if they want me. I don't know. Hopefully they do because it's fun. These leggings are my holy grails. I got these a year and a half ago and I love them. These ones are just like comfy at home ones. I think I'm gonna move them in like my sweatpant drawer because I keep kind of comfy pants in there. Oh, these are my favorite leggings. They're from Pink. They're just cotton, but they're so high-waisted. They just really like tuck everything in. These ones I ruined, so I had to buy a new pair. So I have two pairs of these, but that's fun, you know? I'm gonna be selling these for sure. They just don't flatter me that well. My sister bought these and they were so cute on her, but she also got a small. These run a little small. These are an extra small and normally I can fit it. I will be selling these. They're such quality and they're super warm and they're like fleece lined. I think I may be selling these too. These are from the brand Kyodan in a size small. I regret not getting the extra small in these. I remember when I bought them, there was an extra small and a small and I was like, I'm getting the small because I want to get a big butt. Like I was working out at the time, and these get so loose. I just haven't worn these since. These do have really good pockets right here, but I'm gonna see how comfortable they are because they used to like kind of slide down on me because they were a little bit big. These kind of fit like a small to medium rather than like an extra small to a small. I don't really know. And those are all my leggings. I'm also gonna try these brown ones on and see if I need to give them back to my mom. So right now my leggings all fit in nicely into this box, which before they didn't. That is ideal. My goal was to make everything fit in here. This is actually a continuation to the last clip you guys just watched. I moved into my apartment. This closet is so nice, but at the same time, it's very crammed in a way. I just have too many clothes. I have winter jackets, more winter jackets, but these are more like cuter, stylish ones, and then sweaters and photo shoot clothes. I have actually a couple jackets hung up here. Like this is like a really bulky one that I cannot smush in one of those bags, and then I have my blazers. I've been here for 2 weeks and it's just a mess, and there's a lot of clothing pieces in here that don't make me happy. And in my last apartment I was like, oh, I still like these, they're really useful. My issue is I keep clothes for like useful purposes rather than me really liking them, and with my amount of clothes I do kind of need to get rid of the useful ones that I'm not like in love with, because I do have useful clothes that I really like. Also, I forgot to show you down here I have sleeping shirts, basic random stuff, sweatshirts and hoodies, because I'm not wearing these right now like all the time because it's so hot. So let's get started on the declutter. Okay, here are a couple things. I have a lot of long sleeves. Like that's my main issue, is this top row is just really full, and I was kind of thinking, should I put my long sleeves on the bottom? But I don't know, I'm gonna leave my closet like this for now. Maybe in like a month or two I will do a whole like reorganization. I don't know. So here are a couple things I'm getting rid of, or I'm thinking about. So definitely getting rid of this cardigan. I just don't wear it. I wore it a lot for like 2 years. I got it from like Burlington for like $7, and it's from Rue 21. I've just worn it. I don't really like this color. I have cardigans I like way more than this one. This was like a useful item. I used this when I would go on walks with my dog, and it's just ugly and I don't really want to be seen in it, so that is going. This is kind of sad. I've had this shirt since like 8th grade and it was my most worn shirt. It's a really flattering shirt. It's from Tilly's, and I remember like 2 months after I bought this one I realized how much I wore it, and whenever I walked into Tilly's I saw this exact shirt but in cream, and it was like for $12, but I was very poor. I literally didn't even have $12. I think I had 10, and that was like for food, so I couldn't buy it, and I wish I bought that one because I would keep that one and like get rid of this one. But I don't know, it's a really flattering shirt. I've had my wear with it. I might put this back, but honestly every time I look at it it's kind of annoying, but then when I actually put it on it's really cute, but this color is just not up my alley anymore. It's fine, I'll get more basic shirts to love, and I think my sister will really like that shirt, so if I give it to her then I can borrow it and just won't be in my closet. So yeah, this shirt is a slightly better shade. It's not as like maroon.
It's more of like a brown kind of red. I wore it a lot. I got it like my junior year of high school, and it's from Forever 21, and I cut the like tag because it was really itchy. And it's just like a good fall shirt, but then again, when do I wear colors like this other than St. Patrick? Like, I just, you know what, I'm getting rid of it. Then this little soft jacket, again, I got from Burlington. They like messed up the polo logo, and like look at how balled up it is. I think I wore this like a few times, and then over quarantine I wore it the whole time because I needed to get my wear out of it. But honestly, it's super ugly, and just looking at it annoys me. So, and then this hoodie, I cropped it, and once again, it was an item I wore a lot in high school, and I just don't like cropped hoodies for some reason. They bother me. I hate them. Every time I see someone wearing them, I cringe. Please tell me why I hate cropped hoodies so much. I don't know. I hate it. Honestly, it feels a lot better to like get rid of those and like put them back in my closet. So, all right, I'm gonna find some more stuff and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with a good array of items, and I think I'm getting rid of all of these. I don't know. So first off is this jacket I thrifted literally beginning of my senior year. It's a cute jacket. I've worn it a couple times. I'm not gonna wear it. Like, I just don't picture myself wearing this in the next year, so. This sweater, oh my goodness, it's from Target. Literally, it's like faded black. It's such a basic sweater, but I don't like it. I've worn this so much. This was my mom's, so I've had this since I think middle school. I don't know. My mom might want it back though, so yep. This I'm definitely getting rid of. I got this again like junior year, and it was very on trend. It has like the little, you can't really tell, but it's that baby blue gingham. But I don't see myself wearing this. And even if it did come back in style, this whole thing, like I think it would be in a cooler way. I love the color, but this shirt is so no. I think that was pretty good. It actually looks a little bit no, I still need to like organize this. I kind of crammed them because I just put this stuff on this side before this video. Alright guys, this is more footage for the declutter. I thought I wasn't gonna film any more declutter clips for this video, but you know what? I decided, let me go through my bras. Also, I dyed my hair. It's gonna be lighter in 2 weeks, but this is just like the starting point for the baby lights and all that shit. Here is what I've organized. So I got this little drawer thing from IKEA. I did smush a lot of sports bras. Well, these aren't sports bras. They're like my casual, comfy ones that are cute. The reason why I wanted to film this is because I decluttered 3 bras. Isn't that so exciting? I've had this bandeau top since I was in like 6th grade, and it's a good like basic just to wear, but honestly I hate it. And then I got this maroon one from Tilly's again, like my sophomore year of high school. I wore it so much my sophomore year. Why is my camera like not focusing on it? I got this blue one at the same time, and I hate maroons, so I'm getting rid of it. This was my mom's. I'm gonna give it back to her because I thought I would like it to replace my other one, and I hate it. So I'm putting all these back. I normally keep them in here, so I'll show you guys that now. Okay, so I just quickly put them in there because I'm kind of rushing. I want to make food because I'm starving. All right, I think that is the end of this declutter part video because I keep filming random clips. My mom is making really weird noises with the dogs. My mirror is also filthy. I'm sorry. Hey guys, sorry. Yeah, I know. Anyway, I'm going through my jackets, as you can see, on my filthy bed, and I'm getting rid of a few. First one, because you guys know in my closet up here, it's been like piled up with like these little bins with jackets. So I have 2 bins full of jackets, and I have jackets hung up. Like, I don't need this many for Florida, and I know I'm gonna end up buying probably 2 more during the fall and winter, and I already just got one. I got a new leather jacket for video, so I don't need my old one, and I'm actually getting rid of it. So let me show you guys. This is this one from Forever 21. I bought it my freshman year, and it was 25 bucks, and it's lasted me that long. And it's just so not me. Like, it's not like the leather jacket I want. Getting rid of that. This one my friend gave to me, but I'm actually just gonna give it to my sister because she likes it. Huh?
I'm amazing.
Yeah, she's right there. She likes it, and also I feel bad getting rid of it like completely because my friend did give it to me, and it was like his mom's, but it's from Tommy Hilfiger, and he thrifted it for her, and she just like didn't like it. And I used it for a shoot, and I did wear it like twice, but I've had it for like 3 years, and I just don't really like this color anymore. It's not my color palette. So if I ever need it, it'll be in her big ass closet. And my best friend was getting rid of stuff, and she let me pick out a few things, and I'm thinking about getting rid of this one. So I keep saying I'm gonna get rid of it, and then I just end up putting it back. I keep fuck! I keep putting it back in my closet. And I just think it's ugly, but then for some reason there's something telling me to keep it, so I don't know. All right.
Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Alright, we're getting rid of it. This one was in my closet for like 2 years. It's my sister's. She got it from someone's mom, and I used it for a concert in Atlanta 2 years ago. Which is crazy, it was 2 years ago. And it's so cute, I love this jacket. But once again, she has space and it is her jacket, so she'll keep it in her closet, and if I ever need it for anything, we still live together. Then we have this jacket, which honestly, I think I'm still gonna keep, but I don't really like it. I hate this shade of denim. Like I wanna buy like a light wash version of this so that I can have it, because it is a really comfortable jacket. I just don't like this color. It's super cute, and I wore it a lot in high school. I think I wore it once since I've graduated. I don't even know how to style it. So you know what? I guess I'll give it to my sister, even though I don't want to, but I really want the light wash version of this really bad. That like Topshop has been selling for like 5 years. This one is my sister's. Keeping this one. I actually want to hang it up so I can wear it more. This one, another blazer, and it's a photo shoot one. This one was Peyton's from like the declutter pile. And I grabbed it because it's so preppy, but it's also a little itchy. But I think when I wear sweaters in the winter, like I wear my blazers a lot to Urban because they're just easy. Keeping it, I'm gonna hang it up. Okay, well that's good. We got rid of a nice pile. No, I gave you 3, including the one that was already yours, but I had it. And then now these 2 up here. And then we have one more, but I'm gonna go through them. This one is my sister's, but she actually gave me this one because she has another one that's cheetah print that she likes. This one is so cute. The lining on the inside was like pink and it was peeling off. So I cut it out and my grandma sewed the seams. You can kind of see the pink right here. I don't know if you can see it. I love it. I cannot wait to wear this. Okay, we're hanging that up. This is our leftovers. It's going up there. I emptied out one whole thing and I hung up the rest. So let me show you guys that. Here's my new leather jacket from Fashion Nova. And then this one I thrifted. These are thrifted. Here you go. All of these are thrifted pretty much, except for this jacket and this one. And those 2 also, they're not. Looks like a good amount of jackets, but then I have all this and that massive pile of clothes that has to go right here. And also I might fit some long sleeves up here. Okay, so I got rid of some stuff. I'm getting rid of this. This is going to hurt. And then I'm giving her this top because it's way too small on me. I got it for video. This is what my closet looks like. I moved everything down. I'm gonna go through everything and see if I want to get rid of anything, especially my tank tops. I feel like I should try on a couple and see what I want to get rid of, but I'm pretty happy with my closet. So I actually got rid of a couple more things. So if you guys watched one of my old declutters, I considered getting rid of this and I actually put it back in my closet, but you know what, I can live without it. This color is like one of my least favorite colors. Here are other things I got rid of that you guys saw earlier on. And next up is bathing suits, but I think I'm gonna do a whole video on this because I really do need to cut down. I already have one thing I wanted to give to my sister. It's this top because it's a little too small on me. I wanted to show you guys an update on my closet since I did declutter a couple things, and I want to show you what I've changed. I had these things all in those little bins under here and I literally couldn't see them. So all I have left under here is my sleeping shirts and Patrick's clothes that he has here if he needs any in case, which honestly, I used to have these all in a drawer, but all my drawers are full. Over here, I have a bin of heels. Then I have my sweatshirts. So I have my plain ones and then I have ones with like graphics on it. Here are my dresses. I actually don't have that many dresses and I got rid of, I think 3 last night, you guys saw. Literally all my jackets are hung up except for, I think 3, and they're in here and they're like really puffy jackets, so I'm really happy about that. Really happy with my jean collection. I think it's like a good amount for me. Those are my shorts. They're getting a little excessive, but I wear all of them except for like these 3 are my least worn.